The Eastwood MIG 180 and TIG 220 AC/DC combo package gives you two welders for a wide range of garage, restoration, and fabrication work. This package is built for DIYers, restorers, and fabricators who want MIG, flux core, TIG, and stick welding capability in one setup. The MIG 180 is a 180 amp MIG welder that runs on either 120 volt or 240 volt power. That gives you the flexibility to weld from standard household power for lighter work or step up to 240 volt power when you need more output. It can weld mild steel and stainless steel from 24 gauge up to 5/16 inch thick. That makes it useful for sheet metal, body panels, general repair work, and heavier light fabrication jobs. It uses IGBT inverter technology, which helps keep the machine lightweight and precise. At less than 26 pounds, it is easy to move around the shop or bring closer to the project. The tack setting gives you timed short pulses, which is helpful for plug welds, spot welds, and reducing heat buildup on thinner metal. The 2T and 4T controls also help with comfort and control, especially on longer welds. The MIG 180 includes a Tweako-style torch, so it uses commonly available consumables. It can also run flux core wire for gas-free welding, and with the optional Eastwood spool gun, it can weld aluminum. The TIG 220 AC/DC adds TIG welding capability for steel, stainless, and aluminum. It provides up to 220 amps of output and can weld material up to 1/4 inch thick. The DC TIG is used for steel and stainless, while AC TIG gives you the control for aluminum welding. Adjustable AC balance and frequency let you fine-tune the arc for aluminum, and high frequency start gives you the clean arc ignition without touching the tungsten to your work. The TIG 220 also includes pulse TIG welding, which helps control heat, improve bead appearance, and reduce distortion on thin materials. Like the MIG welder, the TIG 220 runs on either 120 volt or 240 volt power. It also includes stick welding capability and is foot pedal compatible for precise amperage control. So if you want one package that covers MIG, flux core, AC/DC, TIG, and stick welding, this combo gives you the versatile setup for a wide range of metalworking projects.